Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin E capsules for a dark neck. First, select a high-quality vitamin E capsule. Carefully puncture the capsule and squeeze out the rich, nourishing oil into a small bowl. Next, combine this oil with a suitable carrier ingredient, such as pure aloe vera gel or a teaspoon of raw honey, to create a smooth, easy-to-apply mixture. This blend helps dilute the potent vitamin E and adds extra benefits for your skin. Before applying, ensure your neck is clean and dry. Use a mild cleanser and pat your skin gently. Take a small amount of the vitamin E mixture and apply it directly to the darkened areas of your neck. Using your fingertips, massage the blend in a circular motion for about 5 to 10 minutes. This helps the oil penetrate deeply and stimulates blood circulation. Leave it on overnight for maximum absorption and effectiveness. Consistency is key when treating a dark neck. Apply the vitamin E mixture every night without fail for at least 2 to 3 weeks to observe noticeable improvements. Additionally, always protect your neck from direct sun exposure by wearing a scarf or applying a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher. Remember, a healthy lifestyle, including proper hydration and a nutritious diet, also contributes significantly to overall skin health. Beyond vitamin E, other natural remedies can complement your routine. You might try applying a paste of baking soda and water, or rubbing a potato slice on the affected area for its natural bleaching properties. For persistent or severe discoloration, it's always wise to consult a dermatologist for professional advice and treatment options. And hey, while you're improving your neck, why not upgrade your comfort? Check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.